Double your Walmart sales in just 30 days with these overlooked strategies. And you can see with our new client, just within 20 days, they just launched on Walmart and boom, now they are doing $500 a day, ran out of stock, getting back in stock. So anything is possible on Walmart, and you can totally double your sales within a very short time frame, which is awesome. Now, the first thing that you want to do is make sure you look to see if you have free credits for advertising, right? On Walmart, they run so many different promotions. There should be a link in the description. If you don't see it, reach out to us. But right here, they're giving out $2,000 in free advertising credit. 2 Gs. You can't beat that as a brand new seller. That's going to make the difference of you making $100 a month to like $10,000 if you know what you're doing on Walmart. It's only going to help. It's not going to hurt. So you can just fill this out. If you've never run ads before on Walmart, you're going to be automatically eligible. If you're a new account, you're going to be automatically eligible. And it's until January 31st of 2026. They keep running all these new campaigns. This isn't the first one, so there's going to be more after this, right? But that's going to be the first thing. Look at the free ads credits. Look at anything that Walmart's asking for free. Do your research on Reddit and platforms like that. Get access to tools like that. Now, next thing is going to be getting below the fold content. This is going to make your listing stand out because almost no sellers are doing it. If you look at Coca-Cola, huge brand, scroll down. They've got the chicken, they've got the family, the pizza eating together in their description, right? They've got photos in their description. Most of the competitors have descriptions that are super boring and they can't put photos in it. You can with a tool called Optimize.ai. It's completely free. You just click sign up for free, and then you can implement this, which is called below the fold content on Walmart within 10 minutes, right? So definitely get access to that. And again, it's free, so you can't beat that. The next one is going to be optimizing the back end of your listing. So when everything is going good, of course, you want to triple down on the back end of your listing. So go into your listings and just fill out every section, if possible, of your listing. Usually there's a lot of different sections depending on the category. So make sure you're going through them, doubling down, fill out every section. A lot of sellers don't do this, but Walmart does look at the back end of your listing and it does help you rank higher. Also, it makes it look like your listing is complete compared to another seller. So go ahead and do that. That's going to be something easy. Next up is going to be review syndication. So they have something called review syndication on Walmart. It's completely free. If you have a website or your manufacturer has a website, right? And they have tons of reviews on their website. Maybe you have 1,000 reviews on your website. What Walmart will do is they'll take the reviews on your website and they'll put them on Walmart, on your Walmart listing. So it's like one of the only platforms that does this. You might as well do it while you can. It's completely free. If you have 1,000 reviews on your website or your manufacturer does, they'll take those reviews and put them on Walmart. So if you have 0 reviews on Walmart, boom, now you have 1,000. It's called review syndication, and it tells you exactly how to get access, how to do it. Pretty awesome. Use reviews straight from your own site so you know what will be added to your listing. Syndicated reviews will be attributed to your brand or website, making them stand out visual. I mean, this is going to pretty much increase your sales. Like, that's pretty much one of the biggest tricks in the game on Walmart right now. Last but not least is going to be utilizing Helium 10. Now, this is another tool. So if I wanted to sell items on Walmart, I'm going to make sure they're making a lot of money. So I can click on this cute little Pikachu. Once I click on that, I'm going to see, wow, they're selling for 24 bucks, which is a crazy ripoff, but hey, it's Pokemon, whatever. I'm going to run this tool called Helium 10, and it's going to tell you how much money they're making per month on Walmart. They're making 40 Gs a month, where you can see that right here, Walmart revenue, practically $40,000 a month. Am I going to want to sell in this category? Hell yeah. What I can also do is I can see what other products this person's selling. Shop all. And I can they're selling Snoopy too. a bootleg version of Snoopy, right? They've got all these different items. So I can see what competitors are selling, use Helium 10, see how much sales they're generating, and then go from there so I can start competing. Not only that, right in the description, you can sign up for Helium 10. It is also free to sign up, no credit card required. You can see all of the tools that they have. I just showed you one. They also have another one where you can put in your competitor's product ID, and it tells you all of the top keywords they're ranking for. So if you did compete with them, you know what keywords are making them sales, what keywords are making them show up on page number 1. And it's going to be the word plushies and the word Pokemon toys. So you better be putting this keyword in your title, because literally this search term scores 98, search volume 32,000. Very, very nice just to see what keywords they're ranking for. This is pretty much the keywords people are typing in, and they're showing up on page number 1 for them. So you can see the organic rank right here. We can see what are they showing up number 1 for? None of them. Number 4, Pokemon stuffed animals, they're number 4. Number 5, Pikachu plush. So you can see exactly what keywords they're ranking for. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. And one of our most popular services is our full Amazon and Walmart account management service. We'll make sure that we manage your inventory, call Walmart, customer service, advertising, design, and much, much more. We're here to help you save time, money, and of course, increase your sales. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.